This might be the biggest Dior shipping box I've received. And let's get started and unbox it. For those who are new here, I am actually based in Canada, but this order is from the Dior USA website. So I used to live in the US, moved to Canada 3 years ago, and I'm still able to order there through my friends and family. Paper bag. It's huge. Look at this. I actually thought everything is inside here. I was shocked, but yeah, they just send it separate from all the boxes. My actual order is what I'm very excited about. Oh, it's heavy. Okay, so this is my actual order. It's in a big box. And this right here, oof, my hands are buttery today. Okay, this inside here is my welcome gift. From being a gold loyalty member, I am downgraded to silver. And if you are familiar with the loyalty program in the US, which unfortunately we still don't have in Canada, Be Your Beauty, if you ever see my videos, please bring the loyalty program here in Canada. Right now, I think this is one of the best gift. Of course, our taste, of course, our preference could be different, but I think for a silver gift, this is awesome. Here we go. Ta-da! So this is a water bottle. Oh, it's actually glass. So this is a glass water bottle with a sleeve. Have a handle here, super cute. I see some people would add a strap so they could carry it crossbody. I think the detail, the star right here, it's super cute. The water bottle itself, let's see. So the bottle itself, it's plain. Nothing else, just plain bottle, glass bottle. The lid or the cap has star right there, which I think is a nice detail. And it has this rubber thing here, so the grip is better and no drip will happen with this bottle. So okay, so here is the sleeve. You have this big Dior logo here again, the star badge, and just plain it's like a neoprene material, so there's just a tiny bit of stretch there. And the trimming, I would assume, are faux leather. So here we go. This is the current silver welcome gift. Very excited to use this. Big box. And this, there's a lot of things you could do with these ribbons, and I should make one DIY very soon. I think this would make good hair clip, maybe headband, but we'll figure it out later. Ta-da! Let's start with this right here. Let's put J'adore la vie. I'm actually gonna do a bookmark using this one, and that's why I put J'adore la vie or Love My Life. And here we go. Let's start with the smallest items. Free gift. Now in the US, one of the great updates they did is that if you are in silver, if you spend 100 and more, then you'll get 2 deluxe sample at checkout. These are my samples. These are just the regular samples you get. I'm actually surprised I got 3. So I have here Lucky, the Jasmine. Oh, okay, so this is my deluxe sample actually, one of my deluxe sample. So if this is one of my deluxe sample, I might be missing one actually, because I'm supposed to get 2. I'm supposed to get 2. So my deluxe sample right here, it's a mini lipstick, and it's the matte one. I'm surprised. This is not the red 999. This is number 100. That's awesome. I collect this. Awesome for regifting. So let's see if I would get another deluxe sample. Okay, here we go. We have another deluxe sample. So I'm only in silver right now. Spend 100 or more, you get 2 deluxe sample. It used to be just 1. Okay, so the other one is a Dior perfume here. So there we have it. Now I'll show you another gift purchase. So I spent a little over 150, and with that I used promo code Blooming Dior. I'll make sure to add it up right here. So if you're in the US, you could use this promo code. If you're not in the US, unfortunately you cannot use it. For those who are in Canada, I always update my YouTube channel. I am Artsy Momsy with the latest promo codes in Canada, UK, sometimes Europe, Australia, and New Zealand. But this is from the US. Oh, you know what? The minimum purchase for this is actually just 130. Yeah, and I also have all the promo codes in my website, artsymomsy.com, so you could check that out as well. So here it is. This is the men's pouch. I love collecting the men's pouch now. They are so much bigger, you know, utility wise. You could put so much, and I love this especially because it has 2 zippers. So awesome for organization. So we have this, no pockets, just this front one, and this is like is a beautiful detail. You see it has Dior all over the zipper, and again they all open nicely. This is also a very good material. It's like a neoprene, looks like it would be waterproof. So there we go. I'll show you. I have most of my pouches recently are all men's pouch. Now this one is from Canada. It might still be available. Promo code Paradise 26. Minimum purchase is 175 Canadian dollars. So this one, Canada. Okay. And another one. This one from Canada, not available at the moment. I don't think it ever appeared or become available in the US, but this is also one of the men's pouch. Okay, this one is awesome. I like it. So the sizes are almost all the same width-wise. So these are great. Most of the men's pouch are great, to be honest. So that's for our gifted purchase. And finally, for the items I bought, I got 3 items. One of them is for my sister-in-law, so I will not open it. It's right here. And the actual items for myself, new skincare. If you've been here before, if you're not new in my channel, I love the Capture Total skincare line. And recently I've been wearing a lot of makeup, and it's summer, it's super hot, so I thought I'll try this skincare line, which I think I don't see a lot of people recommending this. So I want to see for myself what's up. This is actually in a lower price range in the Dior skincare line products. And so yeah, I'm just curious, and I think right now it's summer, so it's the perfect time to try it based on their advertisement that this would be a lighter skincare on the skin. So again, I would say perfect for the summer. Has a little instructions: shake before use, right here. So it looks like it has some powder inside. So to activate that, it's best to shake it. Deliver revitalizing freshness. So we will see if this, at least for the summer, will replace my essence lotion. First impression, definitely liquidy. Definitely in a more liquid form, similar to, and I'm surprised that because it's liquid, they should have just done like a spray bottle. So this is my La Rosée, a lot cheaper than this. I think this is between $30 to $40. This one is $60. So I guess it's not that huge of a difference. And the size pretty much the same. This is 200 ml. This is 175 ml. So the scent is nice. It really smells fresh and clean. So that's one thing. So I'll find out. Okay, so it actually says here face lotion. So hopefully, again, at least for the summer, it will replace my essence lotion, the Capture Total Essence Lotion. and I will find out if it actually will hydrate my skin, because this is very fluid, very light, and I don't know how much hydration it could retain on my face with that kind of solution. Next, so it has a matching cream. I was gonna get the serum as well, but I'm trying different kinds of serum at the moment, different price range, and I want to see how those goes before I try another Dior serum. So far though, my Capture serum is still winning between all those ones that I'm trying. But yes, so I also got, and this, maybe this skincare line is meant for younger customer. So this is usually, you know, we have a, for Capture, we have like silver shiny lid. I actually don't mind this. This looks very simplistic, very matte. I love the minimalistic look. And this, let's see the consistency of this product. It smells fresh. And come with like a spatula or spoon, so I'm just gonna get a little bit here on the lid right here. Okay. The scent, unlike the Capture skincare line, this scent is so much lighter. Yeah, almost nothing, to be honest. Yeah, it's barely there. But the feel on the skin is nice. It also feels like it absorbs quickly. There's no discomfort. There's no uncomfortable feeling here, at least for my first impression, and it's on my hand, not on my face. What I hate about other skincare is that how heavy they feel on the face, or they feel very sticky and oily. But this one, definitely not on the oily side. The Capture cream might be more dewy than this. This, I don't know if it evaporated or it is actually absorbed, but it feels very comfortable on the skin. But that, of course, we will see when I actually try it on my face, and I'll have that video for you very soon. But for now, that's my quick unboxing. I hope you love it. If you have any questions about current Dior promo codes, promotions, and also loyalty program, just comment below and I'll do my best to answer any questions you might have. See you again later. Bye-bye.